Welcome back everyone to my channel. Today, as you can see, it's gonna be a different kind of day. I'm at a different kind of spinning wheel. This is a wood lathe, and I'm at my friend's place. I'm stealing his wood lathe to try this. We're gonna try and make his spindle, supported spindle. So I got a piece of maple wood here, and let's try to turn it into some kind of spindle shape. Wish me luck. So first of all, let's make sure it clears the guide, or whatever the name of this is. Should be good. Alright, let's turn this on and be scared. Oh, we didn't plug it. Alright, take two with power now. Let's start this thing. There you go. Got my safety glasses on. And, yeah. As you can see, I'm still on the roughing out phase. It's slowly getting rounder. Let's keep on turning this. Getting there. One thing I'm learning is next time I'm starting with a smaller piece of wood. in frame? Yeah, I'm in frame. Weird angle. Oh yeah. So yeah, of course, I had to try it out, and I'm in this weird angle just because I don't want to reframe my camera. Call me lazy. So I made a little leader on my spinning wheel just to make it easier, and I attached it to my spindle, and let's try it out. Let's try to get it on. Let's try to concentrate it towards the bottom maybe. Alright, get some fluff. Maybe pre-draft it a little bit because I'm not that good at spindle spinning. Alright, that's gonna be messy for the start, but we'll hide it. There we go. So my technique is not the thing we're testing, it's the spindle. And off the bat I can say it's very slow. Because I have another one that I made in like my learning to spindle spin right before Tour de Fils. And that one was like a lot faster. And also the momentum was higher. Like it doesn't stop. Alright. Next time I think I'll pre-draft my my floof a little, or maybe use a braid or something. Yeah, so yeah, momentum like stops. Not immediately, but like not that far out. And also, stupid part of my design, it's very hard to wind the cup down at the bottom because of those balls. So yeah, two things to consider. And after a little while, I can say, whoops, well, there we go. So I can say that the momentum and the speed is not that great. The momentum stops like basically right after I spin it, so it's not great, but it's fun. It's super cute, and I don't know if it holds a lot. I think that might be like 10 grams maybe, something like that. But it's super cute. It's my first spindle, probably the first of many, because it was really, really fun to make. Things I would improve. I think I would make like this, I would try to like bring all the most of the weight like towards the base here to create like a momentum wheel kind of thing. And maybe make the shaft thinner, because I feel like, well, you kind of seen it when I was spinning it, like it keeps on slipping. I don't know if it's because it's too thick or something like that, but like it keeps on slipping. The moment I put a little bit of tension on it, it slips. So not that great, but still fun, and it's an acorn. So yeah, I really, really enjoyed this little project I made, and I hope you enjoyed it too. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Yeah, Tommy, you say bye bye too. You say bye bye. The camera's over there. Yeah, the camera's over there. Go go. Oh. Yeah, you're not gonna eat this though. No. Too fancy for you. Too fancy for you. You got plenty of toys.